Oh, be careful here. Get that on the way back. Just happened to bump into my mirror and it just got out of whack here. That way you get in limited mode. What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are taking a ride today to go get tatted up. Theo, Lefty and I are going to the tattoo shop and we're gonna get some small tattoos. Nothing too fancy, just a quick one. And yeah, we were thinking about this for a minute, and well, today's the day, and it just so happens to be that it's a little chilly, and we do get 4 seasons here, but it's really great in my opinion. Hope everyone has been doing good. If you're new around here, I drop content just like this for the Super73 e-bikes, which is what we have right now, and maybe in the future we'll have different stuff. I'm really hoping for that, actually. If you've been subscribing to the channel lately, welcome along again, and hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Some of the videos that we've been uploading lately, they've gotten a lot of views and likes, so thank you for that, guys. I really appreciate that, man. Definitely looking forward to growing this channel here with you guys. Go! One of my earlier videos I made on this route, it was nighttime though, so yeah. So we're gonna take part of we're gonna go part street and part trail, and then back street to the tattoo shop. Woo, chilly. It is. Yeah. We all wore shorts. I know, but it'll be warm later. Yeah. Gotta make a left here. Oh, dude, once we get in the trail, it's gonna be chilly. Watch. Alright, so here we are, the beginning of the trail. I actually really enjoy this trail. It goes from one end of town to the other end of town. It's pretty cool. Some paved, some street parts. Pretty dope. Not too bad.
They're shady.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. This is all the way to Nathaniel and then all the way to West Bypass.
Oh man.
Yeah.
I was over there Friday.
Okay.
They have the Japanese festival. That's why I took them with.
Nice. Nice. I've never seen water accumulated there.
Really?
Yeah. Back there?
Yeah.
Hey, no waves back, but that's okay. I didn't even want to wave to begin with. No waves back. No worries. I didn't want to wave to begin with. No, but I waved at him.
You waved at him?
Yeah. I just went, being courteous, man. Oh, be careful here. Might be a little slippery. Hey, was it right here where you guys were that day when it was flooded?
No, we were past Campbell. Where there's like two sides, like one side of the street and then it's the middle. There's we're over there.
In the middle?
Yeah, we
really.
I looked down in there and it was all flooded.
Oh, that's part of the trail. If you go all the way.
Oh, that's where the trail is?
Yeah. So it goes from here onto the street there in the medium.
Oh yeah, because I remember we were recording a photo. It was like you can see the sidewalk.
Yeah. Oh, bridge pic, man. I always see people on Reddit posting bridge pics.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I take one on the way back?
Yeah, I guess I could do it on the way back. Just gotta take a quick picture. So I just happened to bump into my mirror and it just got out of whack here. So luckily we got tools for the road, and I'm just gonna tighten that up a little bit, and there it is, nice and tidy now. I got a link for this little bag too. It comes in handy. It's not the best, but it works good, like in this instance. So you guys want to check it out? Check it out on Amazon. All right, let's meet up with the rest. I went to take a picture, and when I got back on the bike, I kind of bumped the mirror, and that shit went all loose.
Wow.
So but I got tools. I'm like,
Okay.
come on, man, home improvement or what?
Home improvement. Tim Allen.
All right. So we go through the trail, and the bridge is over there, so we'll come back. Oh, watch out. So I like this little section here a lot. I don't love the little bit of water, but there is not very much accumulated here, which is good. And that's better. What? Did you get hit?
No, I felt like I was. Wow. I could if I wanted to. Yeah, exactly.
We're gonna cut here. Yep. That was part of the trail that I've done in a night video before. I still got to do it in the daytime. Maybe we'll do it with the guys. Let's see. And luckily for us, we're doing this on a Sunday morning, so traffic is not terrible. The plane! The plane! Yeah, okay, yeah, there's a plane up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if I'm able to catch it here on video, but if anybody's old enough, the plane! The plane! The plane, Captain! Yeah, we wanted to avoid going on the street here, so we got on the sidewalk. We only got a little short way to go before we get to the tattoo shop, and they should open soon, so we're gonna be there bright and early. Our place is right across the street over there, so hey, we can go now. And here we are at the tattoo company. And we're still early, but hey, thank you, man.
Is it a habit?
It's an e-bike.
Yeah, it's an e-bike. You wanna try it? Yeah, it's pretty cool, man.
Did you gas? No gas, right?
No gas, just a battery here.
How many miles you can ride?
I can go about 32 max on this, but it can go like, if I'm pedaling, I can go like probably like 40 miles, you know, distance. Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right.
The body look pretty nice.
Yeah, man, thank you. Hey, if you want to try it.
Awesome. I'm scared, but
Nah, don't be scared. That's funny.
Much battery.
Dude, I only use like maybe 8%. You?
How do you look? I already turned it off.
I mean, you turn it back on, it'll show you. Let's see what you got. You use about 12%.
Yeah, that's
Huh?
maybe 10.
Yeah,
About
that's it.
10?
We're racing.
Oh yeah, no, I mean, I was just cruising. It's cool. Alright, so we are here at the tattoo shop, and yeah, we're waiting for our tattoo artist to come by. Fun ride, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, that's fun.
I kept winning the It was a muscle one.
Alright, y'all, so we all just finished getting tatted.
Yeah.
Yep. And yeah, it's been fun. So we're gonna go ahead and ride out, and we'll see what's next. Hey, is that an e-bike?
yes.
Oh. Almost.